Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth and I am an educator at the North Carolina Aquarium at Fort Fisher. I will be showing you all a fun and easy snack you can make at home. Today's snack is our sea turtle. You will need an apple, 6 grapes, chocolate chips, and peanut butter, melted chocolate, or icing. I'll be using peanut butter, but you can use whatever you have in the pantry. Before you start, make sure to wash your apple and grapes, as well as wash your hands really well with soap and water. To start, you will want to cut an apple in half with an adult's help and lay it face down on the plate. This will be the shell or carapace of our sea turtle. Next, you will want to place the grapes at each of the 4 corners of our apple or turtle shell to be our sea turtle flippers, and use a little bit of peanut butter, melted chocolate, or icing to help the grapes stick in place. Now remember, whether you have these items at home or if you need to go to the store, one thing you all can do to help the sea turtles is to bring a reusable bag with you to the store. One reason why this is so important is that plastic bags often make their way into our beautiful oceans. Not only is this polluting our oceans, but plastic bags also look a lot like jellyfish, which is a sea turtle's favorite snack. And if a sea turtle eats a plastic bag, it can make them very sick. So by using a reusable bag, you all could be saving a sea turtle. Okay, so after we have placed our flippers, we will also place a grape as the head of our sea turtle. We will then put our chocolate chips on to act as our sea turtle eyes. And I'll give them a little dip in the peanut butter to help them stick. The last thing we will do is cut a sliver of a grape to be our turtle tail. And there we go. We have our cute little turtle snacks. Now I hope you all enjoyed our Munchy Monday. Don't forget your reusable bag and have a great day.